Accidental fuel and hydraulic spills occur all the time, and often result in a fuel spill that could have been contained, costing a company several thousands in cleanup costs and fines. In the event of a spill or leak, the Andax Tank Trap can be instantly deployed. It's that easy. After it's been deployed, the tank trap can be placed under the leak for instant containment. The tank trap is the fastest containment system in the world. There are many examples of response teams using the tank trap to contain a spill. Andax manufactured the tank trap to allow the first responder on the scene to be able to immediately deploy a secondary containment system for a leak or rupture, rather than dealing with an emergency spill entering a stormwater drain or sewer system. There is absolutely nothing needed beyond unzipping the bag and removing the product. It deploys instantly when tossed to the ground. The tank trap has a spring-loaded sidewall which compresses easily. The tank trap is 100% reusable and has no pockets, creases, or folds to trap liquids. Imagine two scenarios, one where a driver is standing on the side of the road watching the spill run into a storm drain, and the other where an employee has deployed the tank trap, contained the spill, effectively mitigating the potential damages caused during the spill by using the tank trap. You have absolutely no time to respond to a spill, and that's where the tank trap comes in. The tank trap allows you to respond instantly.